Hello, and welcome to Quick Charge by Electrek, keeping you in the fast track with daily Tesla and electric vehicle news. I'm Mikey G, and it's Tuesday, March 8th. Elon Musk has now officially asked the court to change his 2018 settlement with the SEC in order to terminate the SEC's policing of his Tesla tweets. Back in 2018, the SEC judged that Musk exaggerated and misled shareholders when saying that the funding was secured to take Tesla private. As part of the settlement, Musk's tweets had to be reviewed by Tesla's legal department to see if they were material to the company. After the settlement, Musk remains defiant of the SEC in his personal tweets. The SEC reportedly sent several inquiries to Tesla about Musk's use of Twitter when it relates to potentially material information. In response to this, Musk had his lawyers send a letter to the court accusing the SEC of harassment. The court ended up denying his requests, but now, Musk has filed a new motion to the court to recant the settlement and remove the SEC's Twitter policing of Elon Musk. In it, he says, quote, "I never lied to shareholders. I would never lie to shareholders. I entered the consent decree for the survival of Tesla for the sake of its shareholders." The letter goes on to also ask to squash a subpoena due to what they describe as roving and unbound investigations into Mr. Musk, restraining his ability to exercise his First Amendment rights to free speech. Elon Musk recently made a call for the world to drill for more oil as prices are surging amid anticipated shortages due to the situation between Russia and Ukraine. This angered many of his followers who saw it as an anti-clean energy call, despite Musk explaining that his comment comes from a concern that civilization is currently mostly powered by oil and gas. To complement this, in 2020, Elon Musk urged nickel miners to increase production, and the war is not helping. Russia is the world's third largest producer of nickel, and with fear of its imports being limited in an already difficult nickel market, it sent prices through the roof. It's gone up over 80% in the past month, with a significant jump just yesterday. Morgan Stanley believes that the new price alone could add an average of $1,000 to the price of electric cars. Tesla's February numbers in China are out, and it confirms that Gigafactory Shanghai is maintaining an incredible output of more than 600,000 electric vehicles per year. Total output in February is down month to month by about 5%, but that's to be expected with the timing of the Chinese New Year. A new report came out last week claiming that Tesla is starting to work on a new factory adjacent to the Shanghai location in order to double production capacity to 2 million cars annually. While it's still only a rumor, Tesla China hasn't commented on the news despite shutting down other comments from other so-called upcoming factories. The U.S. Department of Energy released a study showing that by 2035, electric, medium, and heavy-duty trucks will cost the same as or less than diesel trucks. The study, which was published by the Department of Energy's National Renewable Energy Laboratory, finds that continued improvements to zero-emission vehicles and fuel technologies will enable clean trucks to become cheaper and more readily available over the next decade. It also finds that by 2030, nearly half of electric, medium, and heavy-duty trucks will be cheaper to buy and operate and also maintain than diesel. Medium and heavy-duty trucks currently account for less than 5% of the vehicles on the road, but produce more than 20% of emissions for the whole transportation sector. In today's community comment, Pete Barnes says, quote, "I wonder how much delay Volkswagen's new German EV factory will get waiting for permission from the German authorities to start production like Tesla did." It's actually a good question. My hope is that the staff at Tesla simply underestimated the approval process and had expectations based on the American or Chinese process. While that may be part of it, I'm also going to guess that Volkswagen will spring up rather quickly with their new plant, as I'm guessing that they have a much larger presence in the country. Thanks for watching Quick Charge by Electrek. We also have an audio version on your favorite podcast player. I'm Mikey G, and I hope you have a great day.